It's pretty fair to say that if you know about PCs, then you'll have heard of ThermalTake. They started in 1999 with the famous Golden Orb turbine cooler, and since then they've extended their ranges into cases, cooling and even peripherals. They were one of the leaders of the current RGB trend too, and there's even a desk featuring RGB lighting. So if you had, say, £500 to spend on ThermalTake products, what would you choose? Well, this week for our competition, we're going to find out. You can choose any combination of ThermalTake products from our website up to the value of £500. And don't worry about delivery, we'll cover that for you too. But you must stay under £500. Go over and we'll remove the cheapest products from your list if you're selected as the winner. To enter for free, just hit the link in the description and then log into Gleam. Then you'll get the chance to earn more entries by helping us out on various platforms, all completely free. To help you see that extensive range of products and choose your haul, we've now created a brand new page for ThermalTake products. You can see it in the link provided or by just searching ThermalTake on the Scan website and clicking on the brand. You can then add products to your basket to get your total price. Note down the LN numbers for your chosen products so you can tell us which ones you want, and take a screenshot of your basket, as you'll have the chance to add a picture to social media for extra entries. Good luck.